Well, at first glance, a matching Royal Doulton Arcadia gravy boat and saucer plate, but actually we don't think these two do go together. They are both Royal Doulton Arcadia, but I don't think these were sold as an original set because the sizes are quite wrong. This is a small gravy boat or gravy jug. It's got a green period Royal Doulton crown mark H4802, so yes, definitely Arcadia. But if you have a look at the actual saucer well, it's about an inch, can you see that? An inch too short to fit in the actual well. So there's a lot of movement in there, and I think this saucer was made for a much bigger gravy boat, and we will put the measurements on these two. So there we have the Arcadia mark in brown from a different period of production, or certainly a different run. Same pattern, same design, same China line, but I think they possibly come from different periods of manufacture and also were never intended to go together, but obviously they have ended up together for some reason. So if you're looking for a gravy boat saucer that's broken, and we will put the measurement of the longitudinal and width of the saucer on our listing, so you could buy it for that. Or if you're looking for a replacement gravy boat, a small one, we will also put the long and across measurements of the base plate, so you can judge whether that one's going to fit on the existing saucer you have. Or you could just buy it and enjoy it as it is, because let's be honest, where are you going to find the opportunity elsewhere? These are incredibly rare pieces of bone china now, no longer in production for many years, and they do work. So horses for courses, a couple of reasons why you may be looking at this as a set, but we do not want to mislead you into thinking that they are a perfectly fitting and original manufacturer's set. Thanks for watching.